Today, we are solving WASSCE November 2011 question 4a. We are given cos of x to the power of equals 15 over 17, and we will use the right-angled triangle to find tan of y to the power of. The question says, in the diagram, PQR, cos of x to the power of equals 15 over 17. We are asked to find tan of y to the power of. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. Cos of x to the power of equals 15 over 17. Cos of x to the power of equals adjacent over hypotenuse. We are given cos of x to the power of equals 15 over 17. In a right-angled triangle, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So, with respect to angle x to the power of, the adjacent side is 15 and the hypotenuse is 17. Since angle x to the power of is at r, the side next to it on the base is QR. That is the adjacent side. So we label QR as 15. The hypotenuse is the longest side opposite the right angle. So, PR equals 17. Study the diagram carefully. This prepares us for the next step. We need tan of y to the power of. Tan of y to the power of equals opposite over adjacent. Opposite to y to the power of equals QR equals 15. Adjacent to y to the power of equals PQ. Since triangle PQR is right-angled at Q, we use Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse is PR, and the two shorter sides are PQ and QR. Substitute PR equals 17 and QR equals 15. Now square the known sides. 17 squared equals 289 and 15 squared equals 225. To make PQ squared, the subject subtract 225 from both sides. So, PQ squared equals 64, and therefore, PQ equals 8. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now we can find tan of y to the power of. For angle, y to the power of tangent is opposite over adjacent. The opposite side to angle, y to the power of, is QR equals 15, and the adjacent side is PQ equals 8. Therefore, tan of y to the power of equals 15 over 8. Therefore, the value of tan of y to the power of is 15 over 8. To summarize, QR equals 15, PR equals 17, PR squared equals PQ squared plus QR squared 17 to the power of 2 equals PQ squared plus 15 squared. The balanced chemical equation is shown on the screen. To summarize, cos of x to the power of equals 15 over 17 tells us that QR equals 15 and PR equals 17. Using Pythagoras theorem, we found PQ equals 8. Then for angle, y to the power of, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So, tan of y to the power of equals 15 over 8. This framed result is the final answer for the question. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step mathematics lessons.